Hello, welcome to Monday Message. I'm Nikki, Novo, your spiritual mentor, and today we're going to talk about how to know if you're on the right path. The concern I get the most in my practice is, I just want to know if I'm on the right path. And that's a totally common question, and that's totally okay, because the truth is it's us awakening to our original soul contract. In a weird way, even though we're human and we don't always remember that we're these spiritual beings, we know that our soul came here, it signed up for something, and it has work to do this lifetime. So when we ask that question, it's really just us checking in and being like, hey, am I doing the job that I was supposed to do? Am I on the right path? And there's actually 3 things that you can do to help you really feel calm about that path. And I want to share that with you because I know that it's a struggle sometimes, but really all you have to do are these 3 things, okay? The first thing is ask for help. Ask for divine help, right? So you can take a minute and say prayers. There's so many things around you that want to help you, whether you believe in God, if you want to talk to Jesus, if you want to talk to your grandmother who passed away, your angels, your spirit guide. There are so many divine helpers out there that want to help you. And all you have to do is ask and just say, hey, I'm having this struggle. I'm not really sure if I should be doing this. Should I be with this person? Should I be doing this job? And they will show you signs if you look for them. So just remember that you have free will. So if you don't ask for help, they're not going to do it for you. But if you ask for help, they're willing to speak with you. And just remember, you always have that at your disposal, okay? Number 2 is check in with your feelings. So typically when we have these, struggles of, am I on the right path? Should I be doing this? What we're doing is we're spending a lot of time in our head and we're trying to logically work through it. We're really trying to figure it out in our mind. But that just causes more confusion, right? Because it's not going to be answered in the mind. It's going to be answered in the heart. So if we could just be like, okay, I'm not going to spend time there. I'm going to spend time in my feelings. Your feelings will tell you. If you walk into a room and you don't feel good, there's probably a reason why. If you show up to work every day and you feel great, well then you know, okay, this is a good place for me. If you go home to somebody that doesn't feel good, well, there's time to look at that. Your feelings, it's so simple, but they will not lie to you. They will tell you, and from those feelings, then you can start digging. And those feelings will tell you whether you're on the right path or not, okay? And the third thing is be present so you can hear your intuition. But we cannot hear our intuition if we're not being present. If our mind is going a million miles per hour, if we're trying to do a bunch of things, or if we're trying to stay really busy, all that stuff is really quieting the intuition. So if we can be present and be like, okay, you know what, today I'm not going to think about it, I'm not going to push it, I'm just going to do what I need to do, and I'm really going to be there. I'm going to enjoy, my job today, I'm going to enjoy my kids today, whatever it is that you're doing, I'm just really going to be there. And when we're present, that's when the intuition comes in. That's when we hear the messages. Even the prayers that we say, that's when the prayers are answered. So give yourself that space to just be and be present so that you can hear your intuition. So if you bring any of those 3 things into your life, you will begin to understand whether or not you're on the right path or not. All right, so now it's your turn. Head over to nikkinovo.com and leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel about that. Let me know if you have questions or if you have your own advice. And remember, while you're there, drop in your email address so that we can stay in touch, so that you can get one of these videos in your inbox every week and also get some freebies. Thank you so much for being here with me. I look forward to next time. Until next time.